We are powerful beings, capable of creating peace, love, beauty, and abundance on this planet. It is within our grasp, within our reach. We are not waiting for anyone or anything to make it happen. It all starts within our own minds. We are all connected, part of one beautiful mind and heart. When we come together with a shared intention, there is no limit to what we can achieve. We have the power to transform our world, to make it a place of harmony and joy. Let us set aside our differences and come together in unity. Let us focus on what unites us rather than what divides us. Together, we can create a world where love and compassion reign supreme. It is time to let go of fear and embrace the power of love. It is time to let go of scarcity and embrace the abundance that surrounds us. It is time to let go of conflict and embrace peace. We are gods and goddesses on planet Earth, here and now. Let us embrace our divine nature and create a world filled with love, beauty, and abundance. The power is within us. Let us make it happen.